So Isha, you have made your digital debut with RejectX, right? It's your first project.
Yeah.
So was there something new with the project that made you sign it?
See, I don't care if I'm doing the same role over and over again because I mean, look at Akshay Kumar. He was Khiladi, international, Khiladi, Satsabai, like he was everything, like so it doesn't matter if that's but the good thing is that it's a strong role. I love doing strong role because that's who I am, I feel. I'm not saying I'm a police officer because for that you need to be like really strong, how they are. But I'm just saying like as a persona, as a personality, I love doing roles which are not the conventional heroine roles. Those are something that really excites me. And I think the good thing is that now because of web especially, like we'll get more chances to do such roles because web has more different kind of content than our cinema has. So it's really exciting, and I'm really glad to be a part of this show.
Okay, so you were the most senior most member on the set, right? So how was it working on the show?
Oh, it was really nice. It's so nice to see the young energy and see how they work. It's of course very different. And also, I think Goldie was very lenient with them. I even told Goldie the same. You can ask Goldie. I said, I'm like, you were too lenient with them than actually how we all work. Which 7 years I've seen, like, I've worked with every kind of person. But the fact that, every time you work with someone new, not new just in like their career wise, but new for me, it's so many things you get to learn from them. I saw the energy, the vibe, and their whole deal was very different than how our deal is on set. I think it's nice to see work with them. It's such a breath of fresh air, all of them.
Okay. So
And they're all so beautiful, they all look so good.
Have you ever witnessed a college rivalry during your college days or school days? Something serious happened ever?
I was into sports. I was a sports prefect, and also what used to happen, college mein nahi, but school mein, because your team versus like your school versus another school, so that rivalry used to happen. But that's a sportsmanship. Honestly, my college life has been really amazing. It's not been all this. Now generation's also different, but I enjoyed. I was in Manipal University, Karnataka. Then I was in Newcastle. So my life was it was fun. We used to travel so much, all of us, and have so many experiences together. So mine was really nice. It was easy in the sense that, of course, when I was in London, I was doing 3 jobs to be able to pay for my education. Because, I got scholarship. So in scholarship, you don't always get, everything waived off. It's just a discounted thing. So I had to do that. But that life has made me who I am. Like that's made me the person I am, and I'm really blessed. But now kids are going through like their issues in even rejects and in general are way different than what I had.
Okay, so Isha, we saw you in Total Dhamal last year, and then before that we saw you in Badshah. So why such fewer projects?
And one day.
Yeah.
No, I did one day also.
Yeah. So why such?
Not really. I did Rustam also.
Rustam
I did. See, I did enough projects.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 2017 was this thing, Badshah. And I did South Film also.
Oh.
Yeah, so I did South Film also. I kept doing a lot of work. It's just 2014 to 15 ke beech mein I did less work because I also had an ACL injury, which is a very bad knee injury. And I was, one thing I was determined is I will not get a surgery because that's something I'm very scared of, getting a surgery. So I couldn't do a lot of work because it involves dancing, wearing heels, being on your feet. So it was a very bad situation. Like I ended up gaining a little weight also because of that, because I could not move. When I'm saying an ACL, it's a very bad injury. Like ACL injury is really bad, and I had to deal with it. It took me almost a year to recover because I was only doing physiotherapy. And I don't know how many doctors, I think whatever I had earned in the beginning, I think I had spent it all on physios because my only thing was without surgery, I want to heal. I'm very scared of surgeries. So I think that's the only time that I did not have work because I could not do a lot of work.
Okay, so now you are completely fine, right? And you do a lot of workout and everything that stresses your knee.
Yeah, you're seeing. Yeah, you can see that.
I can see the
You
result.
see No, by God's grace. You know what, Ruchi? I have realized one thing. Indian doctors are really actually amazing. That's the reason I think people from all over the world come to India because, my physiotherapist, even till now, like so I'm hypomobile. Because of that, I have gut problem, I have this and that, but I really take care of myself because that's the way of life, I feel. People think, oh, it comes easily to her. No, I work out so much so I don't break, so I don't get injuries. When you're hypermobile, you need to work out extra so that your body is maintained. And maintain, I'm not saying weight wise, maintain so you don't get injuries. So it's a very weird situation with me. I even have a lot of gut problem because of that. I fall sick easily because of that. A lot of things are, if you'll Google, you'll find out. So now it's fine because now I realize I have great doctors. They've been taking care of me, and now I know how to control it. So that's why I think lockdown में best cheese, sitting at home, you just need a mat, you can do yoga.
Okay. Isha, you have been a pageant winner. To what extent do you think the title helps in making a career in Bollywood? Did it help you to a great extent?
See, I can't say about others because I think there are a lot of girls who enter the Miss India with the whole agenda of being an actor. So I think good for them because at least they know what they want. For me, I had just finished Manipal and I went for, in fact, I finished my last semester. I got my degree after Miss India. And then I went back to studies. Then I got my scholarship was approved, and that's when I went to studies because for me, it was something I wanted to try. I thought that's a great opportunity. By God's grace, some things are meant for you, and I happen to be, a winner, and then I had to do a few things. But I went back to study. So I think I'm not sure if it is a great platform to become actors or not. But I think if you're going with that agenda of becoming an actor into Miss India, I think it's lovely because it teaches you a lot of things. And it's a great training process.
Okay, so did you complete your studies at Newcastle?
I left because of my mom had got cancer, so I had to come back to India at that time. So I actually did all 4 years except the last semester because it was a year that went really bad for us as a family because she had 2 tumors in her brain. So it was really, it's very hard. Like only a person who's going through cancer, the family can, they can actually empathize because, you have to go through chemo, you have to keep going to the doctor. Then at times it comes back, doesn't come back. So I came back, I started, because I wanted to be with my mom because we didn't know, what's going to happen. And it just so happened that I did Kingfisher Calendar in 2010. And I started getting like a lot of, everyone said, oh, you've got a commercial face, you should try for movies and all. I didn't know what that means. I really didn't know what that means because I don't know what a commercial face is until I did my acting course from Anupam Kher Academy. I stayed at my cousin's house. And this is all while my mother was still getting treated. And, then it just so happened that I did meetings and got my first break in the film. So that's the only reason I could not complete. In fact, I actually thought recently of going back and finishing before the quarantine, like should I just get my degree? But then I realized, oh my God, law is it's not easy. It's not something that my mind is there right now. But maybe when I'm few years older, maybe when I'm like settled, and maybe I'll plan to do it then.
Okay, so are you in talks for Hera Fairy 3 as well?
I was in talks with Hera Fairy actually when Neeraj sir, the late Neeraj sir, he was a part of it. God bless his soul. So I was a part of it then. Now I don't even know, I don't know what's happening on the film. I'm not a part of it because, the film fell after that. Like of course we all gave a heart to it. We were preparing for it. And then, it was Neeraj sir's sudden demise shook all of us. So now I don't even, like, I'm not a part of the project even if it's happening.
Okay, so Isha, you
I
look
was doing Tipsy. I was gonna leave for Tipsy.
Okay.
Sorry, what were you saying?
So you look perfect. So should I ask what's keeping you perfect in lockdown? What all you are doing?
Honestly, I've been all alone. I have nobody, so which means 60 days of being with no single human being. I think it's just the fact that I'm trying to keep myself as positive as possible, because it gets really difficult emotionally. It takes a toll on you. It's not about the physical stress, because अपना घर है, खुद साफ करने में कुछ नहीं जा रहा, बर्तन बना करने में कुछ नहीं जा रहा. जो लोग, that's why a lot of people even told me, oh, you should show that you're cleaning your house. I'm like, अपना घर है, मैं क्यों दिखाऊं, हर कोई कर रहा है, But the fact that I'm all alone for these many days has really taken an emotional toll on me. It's really broken me, and I don't know what all I've been through. Because you get, like, after a point, you're just like, damn it, I've not met anyone, like I miss my family a lot. I wish I was with them. So I think immediately, honestly, one thing, Ruchi, that I diverted my mind towards is I've been doing yoga since 8 years, because Papa was in the Air Force, and my dad has been doing yoga since my dad was, I think, 10 or 11, because his father was a yoga instructor. And his father was a yoga instructor cum lawyer. That's why I wanted to be a lawyer, because my dada was. So my dad's the only one in his family who continued with yoga, but more of as a student, like more of a health thing. And then I got so deeply involved in yoga during the quarantine just to keep myself calm. And I decided, why not even motivate people, in fact, the other day, some days back, I even wrote a post saying that, just breathe and, disconnect with all people who are negative and all of that, just because I feel like if I'm going through that, I don't know how many else people are going through that. Like, they are all emotional and don't know what to talk. They don't even want to say that they are not okay. So I want people to accept the fact that it's okay to be not okay. And because these are hard times for everyone, but the fact that we are all in this together, even if physically we're not together. And I think yoga is one thing that's really kept my face and hair and everything, because the moment you do breathing exercises, and I think even you should do that, but the moment you do breathing exercises, your skin becomes really good. And I think more than makeup, it's that, and the fact that every morning I have zeere ka pani with haldi. I think that's really good as well. All the DIY things ना, अगर आप वो करते रहो ना, you are the best. मतलब मैं कभी मुंह पे दही लगा लेती हूँ, कभी उसका चावल का पानी, कभी मुल्तानी मिट्टी. I don't know, every day there's something or the other in my hair or on my face. कभी नींबू लगा लेती हूँ मैं बालों में. Oh, अच्छा, आज नींबू and तेल लगा लिया. So there's so much when you're just sitting at home you can do, because कौन देख रहा है मुझे?
Okay, so you are doing all your household chores yourself. You do not have a house help.
Yes.
That's very
I
good.
had a house help, but the thing is, actually, 23rd of March, the whole crew, we all were leaving. हम सबका visa है रखा है. We all were leaving for London for our film Tipsy with Deepak Tijori is directing, and हमने song shoot वगैरह उसका पहले कर लिया था before my reject shoot. So what happened is my girl asked me कि दीदी मैं घर जाऊँ छुट्टी, मतलब like should I stay, and I was anyways gone for 45 days schedule. So I decided to give her an off at that time. I like, तू पहले चले जा घर, because there's no point of you being at home when I'm not there. And good thing is, blessing in disguise, that before any of this could happen, she was back home, safe and sound. We chat, so I know she's there. She's with her family and she's safe. But yeah, the bad thing is I've got a shoulder injury which happened before in February, and the only bad thing of doing the house chore is that, oh damn, like at times it hurts a lot. When I'm cutting, cooking and all, like a certain angle made hurts a lot, but I enjoy cooking. And I have OCD before quarantine, तो मेरा घर इस टाइम पे इतना साफ सुथरा है ना. It's not a bad thing.
Well, for the first time I've heard that your house is looking wonderful. It looks clean, perfect, and it doesn't look like you do not have a help, and the credit does not go to your skills.
Yeah,
it
right?
goes to your OCD skills.
Actually, You got it right. It goes to my OCD skills. You know, because Ruchi, मेरा problem है पता है बचपन में my mother even took me to the doctor to see when they didn't know what's OCD and all because you know एक चीज को मुझे certain way में रखना है जैसे मेरे पीछे मेरी बुक शेल्फ है बट वो मेरी बुक्स मैं क्लीन करूंगी सब निकाल के एंड वापस वो जैसा होना चाहिए ना वैसी otherwise it irritates me but I think because of that like honestly because of that quarantine has not like the COVID has not really affected me because I don't like I never used to like shaking hands with people I don't know because of I don't know if their hands are clean and people I know at times thought I'm rude and all but the fact is that it's germs and now look at it like the world is telling you to always sanitize your hands so I'm मेरे घर में you won't believe shoes are not allowed since forever you know मेरे घर के बाहर हमेशा like there's a stool you sit you remove your shoes you wear your shoes since ever so it's the reason I guess like you said like that's why the house is so clean.
Okay, Isha, and keep enjoying the isolation and may you stay safe and good luck for the show.
Thank you, Ruchi.
Thank
you
you
too, baby. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, love.
Bye.